Encountered a DTC file in Windows system or application directories? This is a log file used by Windows applications for diagnostic information. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through opening these Windows application log files. If you frequently deal with unusual DTC file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. DTC files are log files, created by various Windows applications for storing diagnostic information, error messages, operational events, or transaction records. They support application troubleshooting, performance monitoring, and audit requirements, providing detailed records of application behavior over time. DTC files typically use plain text or structured text format with timestamped entries describing application events. The format may include severity levels, event categories, error codes, and detailed messages following the originating application's logging conventions for effective diagnostic information storage. Microsoft Windows Millenium Edition from Microsoft Corporation is the core program designed for the DTC structure. Windows native tools lack the decompression modules necessary for this file. Windows offers a limited snapshot, while accurate reading requires the original data handling software. Let's verify the file's compatibility against known readers. Right-click the DTC file and select Open With. Test Microsoft Windows Millenium Edition if it appears. If not, choose another program. Different software handles the DTC format uniquely. If the DTC file won't open, don't panic. Because your DTC file is still failing to open, the issue is contained within 3 basic categories. Review this checklist now for the common causes and their solutions. First, opening in text editor. Open DTC files in any text editor like Notepad, Notepad++, or Visual Studio Code. The log entries display in chronological order with timestamps and event details. Use search functions to find specific errors, events, or time periods for targeted troubleshooting analysis of application behavior. Next, analyzing with log tools. Use specialized log analysis tools like LogExpert Beartail or Windows Event Viewer for advanced DTC log inspection. These tools provide filtering, highlighting, and real-time monitoring features. Configure filters to focus on errors, warnings, or specific event types for efficient diagnostic investigation. Finally, sharing with support. When seeking technical support, attach DTC log files to support tickets or emails for vendor analysis. Sanitize logs first by removing sensitive information like passwords or personal data. Compress logs into zip archives for efficient transfer, especially when dealing with large or numerous log files. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. If you have any further questions about this file type, drop them below. Don't forget to subscribe before you go.